Let's explore the process of creating 6 different typical slanted roof designs. To ensure consistency in preparation, set the top wall thickness WO to 0 for independent wall configuration. Access the Group and Shaft configurator, proceed to Material configuration, and select Brick for all walls. Now let's delve into each slanted roof type. For the face left wall, activate the roof and switch on the Roof Face Left mode. Adjust options by setting Keep the original ceiling to No, and input values such as a thickness of 150 mm, an angle of 30 degrees and an offset of 200 mm. Similarly for the face right wall, switch to the Roof Face Right mode and set the angle to 40 degrees with a 200 mm offset. Combining both left and right walls is straightforward. Activate Roof Face Left and Right and input values like an angle of 45 degrees and a 300 mm offset. Moving on to the face front wall. Turn on the Roof Face Front mode and enter a 30-degree angle and a 300 mm offset. For the face rear wall, explore various values to observe their impact. To integrate both front and rear walls, activate the Roof Face Front and Rear mode and input 30 degrees for the angle and 300 mm for the offset. And that's how you create the 6 different typical slanted roofs.